Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have a huge room and desk decor haul for you guys. For a majority of all of these boxes, I think most of them are just room decor. Some of them are going to be a few things that I will have for my desk. I am going to have a whole like building my dream desk setup. Make sure to stay tuned for that. If you didn't know, at the beginning of July, I recently moved into a new place and I have been in the process of moving everything in. If you guys haven't seen any of those moving in vlogs, definitely go check those out, especially if you are doing that yourself. I know some of us are going to be going to college soon. Moving out is definitely something that feels a lot more comforting when you see others doing it. I've been living in this room for like obviously now a month, and I've just been living in a room decorless room. I will have a whole room transformation up, but I don't know if it'll come like exactly right after it or 2 videos after it, who knows. Everything will be linked down below, either on my Amazon storefront. I'm still navigating that, so somehow everything will be linked. First, it's kind of just sitting in front of me, so there's really no point in unboxing it. This is the box that it came in. I'm gonna do my very best not to show my address on any of these. Just came in this little box. This is it. Literally the cutest thing. Answering the phone from these type of phones was just my favorite thing. There's just something so satisfying about it. In elementary school, if your teacher asked you to answer the phone, I feel like you felt like you were the shit. So this is called the Pink Retro Rotary, because it rotates, so I don't really know how to pronounce this word. It comes even with the thing that connects everything all together so that it actually can work. I think this is honestly only for dialing 911. I'm gonna test it out in the near future because this is
literally the cutest freaking thing.
I feel like honestly you could even find something like this at the thrift store. That's so cool. So once I connect everything, I think I'm gonna like test it out to see how I can actually use it, what I can dial. But for now, if you guys are interested in this will be linked. Fun fact, I actually had like one of those phones in my room. I accidentally dialed 911 thinking it probably would not do anything, and then the police came. So do not like that there's just absolutely nothing on this case. So I'm gonna put this little plant in my Harry Potter. I think having like a box opener would be really smart right now, but I also think I can just use my nails. Efficient. Got some
candles.
I'll have the Etsy shop over here in this corner. Wow. I've actually never had one of these. The little bubble candles. So I got a few actually. I got 2 more. Alrighty, then we got a eucalyptus little green fella right here. So we have these 2 little cute ones. This is my favorite one. I got a candle that says
bucket.
I got this combination of green and pink. These actually smell. This one has more of a scent to it. This one smells very fresh. This smells really nice actually. Like they're very subtle scents that I like. Sometimes having your room lit up smell really like too fragrancy, I don't really like. Kind of cute. What is this? So it's like Christmas. I'm not gonna lie, some of these things I ordered in here are purely for the boost of serotonin. This is gonna be a mess. Oops. I got these mushroom. Can you say hi? They're like these mushroom shaped water inserts. I think you dunk the water inside here and then you dunk it in so that it kind of goes into the soil. But I do plan to put these into my plants to like add a little piece of decor with them because I think this is so cute. I've never seen anyone have these either. Come on. Oops, ouch. I'm like doing surgery on this right now. Lots of styrofoam, eh? I used to actually eat these because my dad convinced me you could eat them, and I think you can. Maybe not the best idea. This is the cute little packaging it came in, by the way. Actually, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. That is
beautiful.
My vision here is like something like this or something cuter. I don't know, maybe even like gold jewelry. This one I got off of Etsy, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but they have like just a solid pattern. So if you just wanted like a pure white color. Of course I had to order some like classic things. So I got LED strips. I got the Gobi ones because I can actually control them from my phone, and I like that I can do that because I get really lazy to just get up and turn things off. Making it easy to just like do it from my phone is very convenient for me. But they even have like really affordable options when it comes to LED lights. I recently got like 100 feet one that only was $17, so I will also have that linked if you guys just want more affordable options. And then I got this. God, I even got this. I got this okay, got this I think for my desk, and honestly this was mostly inspired because my boyfriend has been recently playing Pokemon. It's a Bulbasaur. actually captures the idea of it sleeping. Let's move on to this little tiny one right here. I think this is the stuff that I got from AliExpress. What is it? My best friend said that she was like learning accents. It's like British, and so we were just attempting to recreate the British accent that you hear in Harry Potter.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
I'm so excited for this. So I ended up getting this little mini portable wireless speaker, which am I thinking that it's gonna really give much volume? Is it really gonna be a great speaker? No. Did I get it because it's really cute? Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It is a little bit scratched up back here, so I don't know if that's good or not. I guess you would just kind of fire this up with one of these cables here. When I'm telling you guys, I have like an endless amount of both of these cables. This is, I don't really know what this specific one is called. I think this one is a USB cable. Just too many of them. This is so cute. I thought the color, like little color combination was really pretty, the rose gold. And this is very spot on as to what the picture looked like. AliExpress has a lot more affordable things because I believe it is shipping directly from the wholesaler. So on Amazon, this could be like 20 bucks, but obviously you would get it in a shorter amount of time. This took about 2 weeks to get in. So if you're willing to wait, but you also pay like smaller amount, then I would recommend maybe getting some things from AliExpress because they have a lot of cute things for affordable prices. Even if you are just looking for affordability, going to thrift shops is such a great option because you can always find good gems there. Most of the time, no one's really gonna have that piece that you have because you got it from the thrift store. I'm going to open this one up over here, which I'm pretty sure I know exactly what it is. I did hop on the trend here and I picked up something that I feel like a lot of people have. I've seen it all over Pinterest. It's the reason why I kind of picked it up. I picked myself up a Crossley. This is a Cruiser Plus portable turntable and it's in this like beautiful color. So I'm gonna open it up just for you guys to see. This is also what it looks like in the back. I did pick up a few records already, so I'll open those up for you. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. It does come with like an instruction guide here. So, oh, this is their 100th anniversary. Wow, beautiful. Okay, that's not a good start. It's kind of like a mix between matcha green and mint green. So this is what it looks like. Has its own little private cover right here. That is such a pretty color too. Tis beautiful, very beautiful. I will figure out how to put this together. This is my new little baby right here. Now to open up the records that I got with them, I had to get the Deja Vu album. I don't know why I said Deja Vu album. I know it's not called that. Oh, that is so cool. Favorite Crime, Hope You're Okay, and Traitor are my favorites. Personally, I love a good like sad song to sing. And then I picked up beep, 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 beep. I got the Summer Walker Over It album. So I'm guessing a record has two sides to it, so that way you can play both sides. I'm excited to figure out how to use these because I've never worked with records or anything like that. Those are the two that I picked up so far. I do plan to get at least a Justin Bieber album for sure, or even a Fergie album would be really cool. Moving on, I'm going in the most random order here, so more bubble wrap. First of all, I got these like pens. So this came in like a little interesting pack. Okay, that just ripped right off. Got these like matcha green pens that I thought would be really cute. This will go in around my desk. They gave me some stickers. That's very cute. So I ended up getting this little display thing. Basically, you put it like this and then you can write whatever you want on it. So with these markers that like I'm pretty sure you can erase them. It looks very film-like right now, but I actually have to take off this. It's just glass so it looks clear. So it lights up. I'm thinking writing to-do lists would be super adorable on here. And then I got the classic cubed storage. Very easy. Oops. Okay. It's not a very pastel yellow, which is what I thought I was gonna get. It's kind of like brownish yellow, which I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but that's okay. I was planning on getting maybe like a few more of these to put on this shelf here, just to like put little like organization things in here. This one I'm excited about because it's very random, but I think will serve purpose. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Color changing mood light. Setting the Pac-Man ghost light to party mode makes it flash and change color in time with your music. That's kind of huge. It's like the size. It is actually bigger than my face. I kind of want to like see what it looks like lit up right now. This you can find on Amazon. I don't know exactly how I even came across it. This is all from AliExpress actually. We'll see how this turns out. I feel like these tend to go for like 20-30 bucks when it's sold elsewhere, so I just found this on AliExpress for like $5. I intend to put flowers in here and I think that'll be really cute. With the flowers popping out, that'll be really pretty. I got it in this little olive green color too because I thought that would be really cute, just a little pop of color there. This is the same exact thing that I kind of showed you guys before. This one's a lot smaller as you guys can see, and you can like write more on this one, but I think I'm gonna gift this to my boyfriend or put this out in the living room for like people to write cute messages or something. And then I ended up getting another one of these, but has more of a design actually. So I got this little cute one. I intend to put maybe like near like on my nightstand or something. Okay. I don't know, sleeping bunny. Last thing I got is this poster, but this is like the most abstract way of packaging it that I've seen. It smells a little interesting, but this is what it looks like. It says home sweet home. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but this is a decent size. I think it'll be cute on the walls, and it's more of like a, I don't know if you guys can like see the material of it, but it's not like actual poster. I think it's actually sturdier than like a poster wallpaper. The teddy bear is really cute. He's a cutie. I did end up getting some things for my desk. This is actually not really for my desk, but somewhere in this room I'll be placing a plant in here, and I thought this wood one would add a little bit of like color into my room since it's very white right now. This is for my desk. If you guys don't know what this is, they're like the, actually I don't even know exactly what they're called. I believe these are pegboards, and you can like hook multiple things up in here. I did get some accessories for that. This, oops, this would go on the like hook onto one of these little things, and you could like hook it there. This one I want to open up, but you kind of get the idea. It would fit like that. Just giving you guys the idea. And then I also picked up this one. Why would I need to screw these? I am slightly confused with these two because they actually don't have hooks. To be determined with this. I'll figure it out. Anyways, my camera's about to die, and I do have like a few more things to show you guys, so I will be back. Also guys, this is what my mess currently looks like. My poor Bulbasaur. So I ended up getting this disco ball planter, so you can put your like little hanging plant in here and then hang it from the ceiling. Oops, did it? Oh my gosh, it cracked. That sucks. I think I will have to email them asking for a new one. Part of me is just incredibly lazy if I have to send this back, and I'll be tempted to kind of just like maybe like super glue it together. It actually comes with two little different hangers. Get your ass in there. That looks super cute. If you want the more boho-y vibe or the kind of like the more grungy look going on here. So that's how it looks with the silver chain. I think this looks so freaking cute. I can't wait to hang this up somewhere. I feel like it'll really add something to the room. That basically concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox all these things on camera. Hopefully it served purpose for you guys. With all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm so excited. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Everybody put your hands